Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, very important video. Those who are watching this video, within 1 month you will get an Infosys job. I'm praying that God, because we are putting a lot of efforts towards the preparations and giving the right updates, even though we have a busy work, office work and all. But I'm making this video at before the night, and I'm uploading a morning. It's not at all easy. So I'm hoping you will get a job. So if just follow this video, whatever the topics and preparation related information, I'm covering all those things in this video. Definitely it will be helpful. So just like this video, and it will reach more students, and also it will give me confidence to make more videos for your preparation stuff and all. And after watching this video, you note down all the topics. Okay, you just start your preparation. Once you will reach the 24th Infosys campus for that interview and a physical assessment, just implement all those tips and tricks and suggestions and topics, whatever it is, you will get in a job. Okay, so it's completely for the it's completely for your hard work is very important, because without your hard work, watching the videos and thinking like I got a Infosys job, don't feel like uh, I'm already getting an interview mail, so I can easily clear that interview and all. So don't think like that. Sometimes luck will be very important. So at that time your hard work will be your hard work will be very important. Okay, so please start your preparation, put your efforts during that 24th May. So yeah, let's get started today's video without any delay. So those who are waiting for my video, I'm grateful to you. So all the best. Let's get started today's video. Okay, so most of the candidates is asking, sir, Infosys same day interview or else next day interview. So in the most of the cases, if many candidates will be attempting the exam in the physical like in the centers, at that time, if many candidates will be selected, so there is a chances for getting the upcoming days interview. Okay, so if the candidates will be less, and they will be directly conducting the interviews at the same location. Okay, so this is the process happening. So you can adopt and you can prepare accordingly. Okay, maybe 50-50 chances. Same day interview chances is 50%, and those who are clear that physical assessment, those candidates will be receiving interview mail for the upcoming day. Okay, in the next day itself interview will be happened. So it's a 50%. So 50-50 chances. We are not sure about that process, because many candidates will be selected for that round 2. Okay, so that is quick information regarding that same day interview or not. Okay, so guys, if you still not at join my WhatsApp channel, you can join our WhatsApp channel. So it will be helpful throughout the job free jobs updates and everything. Okay, so all the best. And yeah, 24th May Sunday exam will be there, and interview also chances in the same day. So what is the important tips and topics and clear that interview? Okay, so first of all, if you are preparing for that interview and all, if you don't have any major project in your resume, so kindly you can update your resume and put a major project and with programming language. Okay, so yeah, this is a very important. So you need to put your major project in your resume, and you can prepare major project. Okay, so whatever the programming language you have used, and you can just prepare for that. Definitely during the interview it will be helpful, because you don't have any experience, you don't have any kind of internship experience. At that time interviewer will be mainly looking for your project, and how you handle, how you perform, and what is your role in that project. Everything they will consider. Okay, so you just prepare for that project. Definitely it will be helpful. And coming to the technical topics, only very important 5 topics will be there. It gives you job for sure. It will be gives you a job. So first thing, DSA. Okay, data structures and algorithms. And the second thing, like whatever the programming language you are aware of that, but mostly you can prepare for Java. okay, because Infosys training also Java stream training and all those things. So that's why if you if you're good at Java, and you will get a job easily. Okay, suppose if you don't know Java, you just prepare some basic Java concepts. Definitely it will be helpful through during the interview, because mainly selection chances is very high for the Java candidates. Okay, so hope you understand. So coming to the oops concept is everyone is mainly freshers, most of the cases in any interview, oops concept is very important. You can prepare that, like a polymorphism and inheritance, all those things. Okay, so coming to the very important topic, most of the candidates will be forgot about the two important topics, that is the SQL, structured query language, SQL, and operating system. So operating systems is very important in the Infosys. During the interview, there is a chances for at least two coding questions comes from under the operating systems, because whatever the interviewers will be there, that interviewers will be experienced candidates. So those experienced candidates will be asking mainly that kind of deep level of or basic operating system concepts and all those things. So you just prepare operating systems as well. Okay, if you prepare for SQL related concept, then you need to focus on like create and insert and delete, and how to delete a duplicate in that table, and this type of questions asking during the interview. Like suppose there is a data, in that data there is a duplicate data will be there, how you delete that duplicate data in the SQL table. Okay, if you give the answer perfectly with a good example, then it will be easy to get the good marks during the in front of the interviewer. Okay, so please concentrate towards the SQL concepts, and basic to deep level is okay. But sometimes if they are mainly looking for deep level of SQL language, you need to some prepare some kind of queries as well. Okay, so it will be helpful. DBMS related concepts you need to prepare, it will be helpful. Okay, so coming to the duration for that physical assessment and interview, 60 minutes is enough. Okay, 60 minutes is enough for the physical assessment, because they are giving only two coding questions, because you already attempt the exam. So most of the cases in center exams will be there at that time, three coding questions, 3 hours. But for that physical assessment and interview, that time there is a chances for only 60 minutes, two coding questions. If you clear one question also, there is a chances for getting the interview mail. So you need to prepare accordingly. And coming to the interview, 30 minutes interview chances will be there. In that 30 minutes, 10 minutes in the 5 minutes self introduction. Okay, and in the next 5 minutes they will be asking some kind of basic questions, and in the next 10 minutes there is a chances for asking technical basic questions, and after that HR. So these are the time divided for that interview. Okay, so coming to the some questions, you need to prepare some basic questions. So you can see you are given a curricular array consisting of n integers. You have to find the maximum sum of absolute difference between adjacent elements and rearrangement of array element. So all of these are available in the Google, and whatever the real-time coding questions you have solved, that coding questions also available in the telegrams and in the WhatsApp channels. You just go through that and you can prepare. Definitely it will be helpful. Okay, so coming to the coming to the some interview experience, you just take the screenshot and you can prepare. Suppose if you mention during the interview, I have aware of Python language, they will be asking regarding Python related questions. If you are aware of that programming, like if you prefer programming languages Java, and they will be asking Java coding questions. If you told Python or Java or C++, what are the data types in C++, and what are the data types in Python, what are the data types in Java. So like that there will be the different questions is asking as per your input. Okay, input is nothing but I know Java, so they will be asking Java related questions. That's it, simple. So you need to prepare accordingly. Okay, what are and sometimes if you mention what are the pillars of Hoops concept, there is a polymorphism, inheritance, so like that. So why polymorphism? What is the use of polymorphism? What are the types of polymorphism? Like that they are asking. So you need to adopt that situations. You need to give the answers accordingly. Okay, hope you understand and prepare well for that interview. There is no time to make long video, so I hope you understand. And I think every student will prepare every student mainly focus on all these topics. Definitely you will get in a job. Please for remember this video. Definitely same concepts, same topics, and whatever the same pattern questions, everything will be same. But you will get a different questions, otherwise everything will be same. Okay, you need to prepare. All the best. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and join the WhatsApp channel and like this video before leaving this video, because we are putting a lot of efforts to make the video and uploading thumbnails, everything. So I hope you understand. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye.